Hello lads, welcome again to our technical graphics class. Today we're going to continue with the orthographic projection, and I'm going to take a look at a toaster. Now the dimensions for the toaster are there on the bottom left hand corner, and I'm interested in looking at a front view in direction of arrow A, an end view or side view, which we call the end elevation, in arrow B, and a plan looking down from the top. Okay, I've misaligned here. It's actually end view B and plan A. Anyway, so some of you were on to me and you were saying that you don't have A3 size sheets. You can use the back of existing sheets that you might have, or as some of you have already done, which I think is very good, you've taped two A4 sheets together and that worked out grand. So anyway, we'll start with a line, come down about halfway down the sheet. We'll need about 90 to 100 down anyway. But anyway, come down about halfway is about the best you can do there. Okay, so we'll draw a construction line right across the page and come in 185 to that point. Okay, that's more important. It means to be down 125 is handy, but once it's over 100 you're grand. So come in 185 and draw a line. Now, what length is that line? We're looking in direction of arrow A here, so that's going to be 130. Can you see where I get the dimension there? It's 130. So we draw that. So next thing we'll frame that. So we know it's 90 high, so we'll draw a construction line up here that's 90 high, and I complete the rectangle. Now, my toaster is going to fit inside that. So I come down with my dimensions 20, 10, which is 20 there, 10 there and there, 25 there and there, 35 there and there. Now, okay, I can lightly put those lines in like that, and then I'll come in 15, 15, 17, 15 and 15. So the 15 is here, lads, can you see it? For the sloping area, 15, 15, 10. So that gives us that little sloping area there, okay? So you have that. So 15 and 15 gives us that. So I bring up those lines, and 10 for the little handle. I draw my sloping line there. I don't know what angle it is. I don't need to know what angle it is. Once you've located that point here and that point, which is 15 in, you can finish this off. So bringing it up like this, bringing it across, and there you have the elevation. And I'll just put in the handle there, 10 millimeters out. So where is the handle? It's down 20, it's out that little bit, 10 there, and there you have that. Now, what do we not see? We don't see the slots for the toast, so that's there and there, okay? So we're going to come down 65 for that, and I'm going to draw in those dotted lines, there and there. And you can remember, lads, that dotted lines represent things that we can't see, but we know that are there, okay? So let's move on a little bit now, come down to the plan. So the plan is always directly below the elevation. I'm looking down from the top there at the plan, so I project that line down, it's orthographic projection, and project all of those lines down. We're going to be using those. Okay, now come down 15 between the elevation and the plan. And we know the width is 80. 80, there you have it there, okay? 25 is 50 and 30 is 80. There you have it there again. And we'll heavy in those two lines. And the plan is going to be there. So then it's, where do I get these dimensions from? I get them from here. 15, 20, 10, 20, 15. 15 into the first slot, 20 for the first slot, 10 between the two slots for toast, 20, and then 15. Now I can see where I get these lines? That line I brought down here. Here's the slot for the toast. There is the two slots, and I'll finish off the plan in a moment. Lads, I'm beginning to smell the toast at this stage. So, what did I do here? I project it across here at 45 degrees. Now by projecting at 45 degrees, it gives you exactly the same dimensions. So when I project at 45, that dimension is going to be 15. That dimension is going to be 20. This one will be 10, exactly. This one will be 20, and this one will be 15. 45 degrees projects up all the widths perfectly. Now I'm looking in here for the end view. So what doesn't change? I've walked around here. I'm looking in here at B. Well, the height, 90, doesn't change. So I'll project that across like that. Now, all of those grey lines, lads, are light lines. They're construction lines. They shouldn't be visible on yours. And I'm just going to heavy in these two. And they're the slots for that. Now, what do I need? I need to put in what do I need to put in, lads? I need to put in a little handle. So I'm going to show that in here. It's roughly, see, it's 30. So you come in 25, 25, 30. So it's in 25 there. That red line is brought across over from there. And I can heavy that in. Now, I can bring it down here as well if I like. And I will do that. And there's my plan. Lads, I can smell the toast. Okay. Finally, lads, write in elevation, plan, and end view. Here's your elevation, plan, and end view. It's coloured there exactly like that. Elevation A looking in straight at A. Plan looking directly down at it. And see the way it's projected down here. That's what we know. Looking in at the end view, get end view B. So I project it up at 45 degrees because that projects up all my dimensions perfectly. And then I can shade it in and colour it in. Remember, only the lines that are black, that should appear on your sheet. All the other lines are construction lines. They are there just to help you draw this. So, I'd like you to give that a lash, lad, and I'm going to also send you this, hopefully this evening, the login details for SolidWorks. You can download a version of SolidWorks, student version of SolidWorks, like what we had in school, and you can mess around with it at home and work through the tutorials that I'll give you. So I'll send that on as well, but I'd like to get a little bit of feedback on this, lads. So look forward to hearing from me and hope you're all well and that your families are well. Okay, take care.